This is Tracy Phillips, and today we're going to be talking about Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. What does it all mean? Before this class, I had no idea what any of it meant. I knew a lot about the internet, but I didn't know what any of these terms meant. So, let's find out. Web 1.0, this is where the internet began. Displayed here is the very first web page that existed. It's pretty plain compared to what we're used to now. The internet used to consist of only web pages connected by hyperlinks. Web 1.0 is considered the first stage of development on the World Wide Web. All the pages looked like this. There wasn't any interaction. There wasn't anything. This was it. Very basic, but still quite an accomplishment considering the time. When the World Wide Web was first created, it contained web pages that had no activity. You could interact with a page, and its only purpose was to inform. You would think that this type of web page doesn't exist anymore, but it does sometimes. Web 1.0 is still used today for some government websites, mainly because their only purpose is to inform the public. I see websites now for the government that you can search and, pay your utility bills and things like that, but in its basic form, that's what Web 1.0 is. Web 2.0, this refers to websites that emphasize on use-generated content, ease of use, participatory culture, and interoperability for end users. The term was coined in 1999, therefore giving Web 2.0 its name. Before Web 2.0, Web 1.0 was just the internet. It wasn't referred to as Web 1.0. As they've excelled, they've changed, they've gotten better. Then that's when 1.0, now 1.2. Some examples of Web 2.0, social media, mainly Facebook. There's all kinds of social media now. Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Search engines also. You can type into them and change them. Look for content. It takes you to content. Blogs, it's the same. And then Web 3.0. It's going to change the future of the internet, that is. With Web 3.0, it introduces another level of interactivity. Just taking you one step further from just getting on the internet and looking up stuff and watching videos and content. Okay, more on Web 3.0. I know you all heard of cookies. You've seen the memes going around about your FBI agent watching you through your webcam, of course. The memes and articles about your thinking in your head about this book you want to buy, and then it pops up on Facebook the next time you get on it. It seems creepy, but it comes into play. As I said before, Web 3.0 takes interactivity to another level. When you use the search to browse a book, you're more than likely going to be bombarded with ads on your web page and on Facebook about that item. It happens all the time. It happens to me all the time. It seems really creepy. You gotta worry about your location services. But for businesses, this is a good thing because they're trying to sell you stuff. So I guess they like that they think they are inside of your head. Okay, more on the topic. CMS, Content Management System. That's what CMS means. It refers to the action of being able to add to a website or web page. Talked about it before. Facebook and blogs, they're good examples of CMS. You're able to log on to Facebook. You can go to your own personal page. You can add to it. You can take stuff from it. You can put pictures up. You can go to a company's Facebook page. You can write a review on there. You can like something. You can change your personal information on there. Same thing with a blog. You get on a blog, you leave comments on blog posts. That's CMS. If you were to go to Yelp, Google reviews and review something, restaurant, hotel, TripAdvisor is another good example. All those are letting you interact with the website and change it. You're managing the content that's on the system. Granted, some of those have to be approved, but stuff like Facebook, it's automatic. It's automatic. You can change whatever you want to. The CRM, customer relationship management. This is more on the business side. It comes into play for businesses and how those FBI agents, the cookies, the ads, all that thing. CRM is a category of integrated, data-driven software solutions that improve how you interact and do business with your customers. CRM can help businesses manage and maintain customer relationships, track sales leads, marketing pipeline, and deliver actionable data. They use this to make business, to keep business, to see what people want to buy, track sales leads, all those searches you do for, you want some new shoes and you search about, or a new kitchen gadget, or a new book, or anything you're searching for that you don't know a lot about, and so you're trying to see the prices, you're trying to do this. That businesses want to track that. They think you're going to buy something, maybe they'll lower the price. They market it, they're going to keep putting it in your face so you see it all the time and you want it and you got to have it. And this goes along with the Web 2.0 and 2.3, where you can interact with it. It's all connected, it's all linked together. In conclusion, I've learned quite a bit on Web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. Things are constantly changing. I'm in my 30s. The internet for me, I started using it when I was in high school. Back in the days of AOL, when AOL was really big. The internet's a lot different now. It's better. There's a lot of more scarier stuff. And then being a mom, I have to worry about my kid and what she sees on the internet and what she gets into. And technology, if it's used for good, it is changing our world for the better. We can do so many more things. You can connect with people that you can never connect with before. It's a really good thing. I don't know if I'm not a web designer. I don't deal with technology other than using it. I don't know if there's going to be a Web 4.0, if there's another way to integrate more changes to go to the next level, if there is a next level. Back in Web 1.0, they might not have thought that there was another level after that, but now your whole life's on the internet. You can order your food on the internet, you can shop on the internet, you can pay your bills on the internet, you can watch TV on the internet. Everything is on the internet. This society would not exist without the internet. Again, it's Tracy Phillips. Been discussing Web 1.0, Web 2.0, Web 3.0. Learned a lot of valuable things in ID 211 with Professor Jones, Professor Hornbeak. Hope to learn more about the topic. This is my second instructional design class. Granted, this presentation could probably be a little bit better if I had a webcam. I just personally don't want one. Don't use it. But getting to learn these programs and how to use them has been a life changer for me. Screencast especially, which is what this recording is over. Learned a lot of valuable lessons. And thank you very much.